Doubt and desire, doubt and desire, doubt and desire. This is kind of like what life looks like sometimes. Really, really want something, not sure that it's ours. Really, 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 really want to do that thing, but that thing doesn't seem possible or out of reach right now. And so we have this inner calling. Yes, I want that. And then this mind that sets in that says, you can't have it. Here are all the 110 reasons why that's not for you. And when we do that battle of doubt and desire, what's happening is that with equal force, these two elements now start to cancel each other out. And what's the net effect of energy canceling each other out? As intensity of desire and intensity of doubt reach each other, everything stands still. Yeah, those are the stuck moments. And so, what I want to ask you to do and prompt you to do is to think deeply, where did that desire come from? Is it coming from your spirit, from your soul, from something deep inside of you that wants that thing, knows it's yours? Go in that direction. If the doubts and the confusion and the lack of clarity keep coming up, then choose any one of the videos here on my channel. Do a meditation, do a kriya, do a breathing practice that will help you tease out what's the doubt about. Is it lack of self-worth, self-confidence, value? Is it money? Any of those things can be adjusted, and they can be adjusted by working with the energy of your body, aligning and attuning to that which you really deserve and desire and want, and really dealing with the doubt on the level that they occur. Something deep inside, a core belief that just needs to be judged. So that's the key between doubt and desire. Number one is to strengthen desire. And number two is to trace back where did the doubt come from, and really do your due diligence to pull that level of doubt down. And you do that through your nervous system. You do that through moving your body, moving your mind, filtering your mind through meditation, and then using breath work, a powerful use of prana, of energy, to start unwinding where the doubt is coming from. If you'd like some support and some help with that, and numerology is an amazing way to go. You can check the links in my bio, book a consult, and together we'll figure it out. Not to worry. Lots of clarity ahead. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Thank you for following. Thank you for joining and subscribing. If this was helpful for you, pass it on. Everybody needs to know that there is simple and self-sustaining ways to move through the things that life is presenting you. Until next time, lots of love.